All right, hi everyone, this is Mrs. Green and this is the recording for the Unit 4 test review. Now, just as a reminder, you can find all of your class notes in your biology course by clicking on content, and then once you click on content, a page similar to this will load. On the left hand side you will see your table of contents. If you click on CC session slides, the units will load up underneath. Click on Unit 4, Survey of Living Things 2, and on the right hand side you will see every single one of the slides pop up. I know this picture only shows 2, but every one of them are there now. So if you go there, you should see every Unit 4 slide available. All right, so that's where you get that. That would be a great study tool for the test. All right, so just a reminder, the Unit 4 test is due on Tuesday, April 26th by 11:30 p.m. This also includes your study guide. Remember, the study guide is optional, but because I have not been with you guys for a little bit, I do strongly suggest that you do the study guide. During this recording, I'm going to show you what I did so that it can help you prep for the test, but you are going to use your class period to prep for the test. So what I did, I'm treating this like I would your normal review sessions that we have during our live classes, but instead of going into a breakout room, I've created a ClassKick activity. So what I want you to do is I want you to log into your ClassKick account, www.classkick.com. Your login name or username is your first name with your first letter capitalized, followed by the last 3 letters of your student ID. And then you're going to go into Mrs. Green's biology folder. Look for Mrs. Green's Biology B class, and then once in there, you're going to go to the 410 Unit 4 test breakout room with links, okay? So that's where you want to go. What I have done is I've created, just like you would when you attend the live class, I've created all the breakout rooms there. So you will see the 3 breakout rooms. You will see that there is a breakout room slide where I have provided the link to the practice test. So the practice test link is located within ClassKick. So I highly recommend that you go log in and take that practice test. Please use this ClassKick activity and use this recording just like you would if you were attending the hour and 45-minute class that we normally have scheduled. Prepare, practice, take the quiz, do the study guide, do whatever you need to do to get you ready for the test, and then go ahead and take that test as well. All right, remember, your study guide is due on Tuesday, April 26th by 11:30 p.m. It is optional. It is graded for accuracy and timeliness. Only 1 submission is allowed because what happens when you submit it, you get the answer key to the study guide in your announcements. So you will see the answer key pop up as soon as you submit that study guide, so you can check your answers. If you don't want to do it and you just want the answer key, that's fine. Just submit a blank copy, say incomplete, and you will see the answer key pop up on your announcements. But please know that you cannot submit a second sheet. All right. So in your ClassKick, you will notice that there's a main announcement page. Then there's a room number 1 where you work on your study guide. There's a room number 2, the quizzes, take a practice test. So that's where you're going to get the link to the quizzes practice test in your ClassKick again. And then the third one is take the test. So please, again, use that ClassKick just like you would our normal class time and take the practice test. Take it as many times as you need, as many times as you want, and then go ahead and take the test, okay? If you have any, if there are any questions, you don't know how to log into ClassKick, please contact Miss Schaefer. That information's in your class announcements. I also sent an email. She'll be able to help you get into those things. If there's something wrong with the test, please contact Miss Schaefer. Let her know, and she'll help you out with that as well. All right, so just a reminder, due Tuesday, April 26th by 11:30 p.m. is the test. 21 multiple choice questions, no notes are allowed. You are allowed 3 attempts total on the Unit 4 test. If your first attempt does not go well, please check out the reteach link in your course announcements and do the practice test, set it up to do the practice test, and then go back and retake your next attempt so that you can get a better score. So use all the tools to help you get a better score. All right, guys, I will see you back in class shortly. Good luck on your test.